Hey guys, it's Steph. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me. I'm going to California in 20 hours. I have to hustle and pack because tonight I'm going to a concert and I have a bunch of things to do to prepare for this trip. I have not packed a single item and I really need to get going on that. So let's just get started. First step is to play some jams. Let me put my Khalid playlist on because again, I'm going tonight and I do not know all the songs. I also have this little pack list just filled with things I need to bring. So first I'm gonna start off with clothes. So I'm just gonna throw all the clothes that I wanna bring on the floor and then we're gonna take it from there.
Our goodie.
3, 2, 1, action.
Spend the summer in this beach house.
So right now I have way too much stuff picked out and that's not okay because the suitcase I'm working with isn't, like I have a lot of room but also like not. Because I have like my own individual suitcase and then I also have like a half my brother's suitcase because he didn't pack a lot. I need to just narrow down like what I have because I have way too much, because the issue is for the first half of the trip we're going to be in San Francisco where it's cold, but then the second half we're going to be in like warmer parts of California. I don't know if like the cold weather in San Francisco means like leggings and a sweatshirt or if it means like shorts and like a long sleeve. I'm just gonna figure out what I have and make outfits because right now I just have a bunch of random pieces thrown, so I'm gonna make outfits and go from there. Alright, so here's what I kind of have laid out. I'm not sure how many outfits to bring because I'm there for 9 days, but 2 of those days are going to be travel days and I don't know what to do. So I'll show you guys what I have. So I have these 2 tops to go with white denim shorts. I have a tube top, a casual top, and a nicer top to go with regular denim shorts. I have, that's like a really nice outfit. It's like a little blouse and like a white denim skirt. This is a white top with all those bottoms, so if this white top gets dirty, I'm screwed. I don't know if you guys think it's gross that I'm like reusing tops, but like, and obviously if it like starts to smell or like if I stain it, then like I'm not gonna wear it. So far that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 outfits. Then I have 11, 12, 13, those are like rompers and dresses. And then this has to be like all my athletic clothes. So right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of leggings and I have to find tops for all those. And then I also have to pack like pajamas and workout clothes for like the gym and stuff. And then these are the 2 sweatshirts I have picked out. I have like my little like drug rug, which I definitely want to bring. And then I have like this Adidas hoodie that I'm not really a fan of. So I gotta figure that out. Oh wait, I have a hoodie downstairs. Okay, my issue right now is that half my clothes are in the wash right now. Like all my white clothes I put in the wash just now. So I have to kind of think about like what I have there and like write a note so I don't forget it. I'm not gonna bring the Adidas hoodie. I'm gonna bring a Champion hoodie that's just like white that I have. But yeah, my next task is to find tops that match this. The navy leggings and the blue leggings can go with the top I have downstairs. I don't know what to wear. Like what does one wear when they're like hiking? Like I don't know. And then this isn't for leggings, but it's just another white t-shirt I have, so I'll bring that because I have like 15 outfits that need a white t-shirt. I'll bring this Ron John t-shirt just for the Visco vibe. I'll bring this blue striped t-shirt. And that should be good. If I really can't find outfits, considering I have like 15,000 outfits right here, then I have an issue. I also should probably bring a pair of jeans, but I don't think any of my jeans fit, so I gotta go try some on and figure out like what pair like low-key fits, because I know like all of them just aren't gonna fit, because like thick girl summer. AKA I'm eating too much food, but love that for me. Alright, I found 3 pairs of jeans that'll work. Like they fit, and I don't really know why I thought they didn't fit. They're all different styles though. 1 has no rips, which is disgusting, and these are huge on me. 2 is like tight skinny jeans with rips, and the 3rd one is like boyfriend jeans. Now I need to find some workout tops. And all my like running shorts, like Nike shorts, Under Armour shorts, all of them just went missing, so I really have no idea where they are. Alright, we got some workout outfits. Now it's time to organize them, and then I should probably start putting stuff in a suitcase because I definitely have way too many clothes because my closet's like low-key empty. I have to fit all like 50,000 pieces of clothing I have on the floor into this suitcase and half of another one. This is fun, so I need to figure out how I'm going to fit everything. Hello?
Huh?
Yeah?
Are you home?
My suitcase has all my outfits in it, so now I just have to fit like the daytime clothes, the athletic clothes, pajamas, sweatshirts, shoes, just like, you know, everything. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, this is like packed. Oh my god, I also have to pack bathing suits. I didn't think about that part. Here is the second suitcase that I need to start working on. This down here is packed. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have like half the suitcase to myself and I don't have that many clothes left. So I'm gonna be packing 3 pairs of shoes. I'm bringing my rubber Birkenstocks, like the waterproof ones, my regular Birkenstocks, like the flip-flop ones, and then my white Vans, and then sneakers I'm gonna wear on the airplane. I have gone through 3 batteries so far and I've only been filming for like 45 minutes, which is insane. All my batteries are like broken or something, or like defective, because they should last each for like 45 minutes, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But I gotta keep packing. I'm gonna go through my swimsuit bins and figure out what swimsuits to bring. I don't know how much we're gonna be swimming, but I'll bring like 5 piece. I'll bring this one because I've never worn it. Not bringing my lifeguard bikini. I'll bring this one, black bottoms, this one with navy bottoms. And then the last one I could bring is this one. I don't like how this fits on me, but I'll just bring it anyway. Wait, how many is that? Okay, yeah, I'm not bringing this one actually because I have too many. I don't need to bring this one either, honestly. I'm not gonna bring this. I'm so sad, I still haven't worn this one all summer. Maybe I should bring that to wear. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this and force myself to wear it because I was so excited about it, but I just haven't worn it. And then I'm just gonna pack 2 pairs of running shorts, 2 extra pairs of running shorts just because I have them, so why not? I'm gonna work on packing my accessories, like my jewelry. Let's see. I'm just gonna put the jewelry in this bag because this is the only jewelry bag I can find that's not used. I'll bring my shell necklace, this go girl, this little like pearl one, and then I'm gonna bring this little like horn one, and this one you're not gonna be able to see it, just has like little stars on it. And for bracelets, I'll just put, oh wait, maybe I want to wear these tonight. Just kidding, I'm not packing. I'm gonna bring a ton of hair ties just in case, so I'm gonna bring like these, I'll just throw them in. And I'll bring like a scrunchie. Okay, for sunglasses I'm gonna bring these like cheaper aviators for like, I don't know, if I'm going somewhere like the pool and I can wear these in the water and not care. And then I'm also gonna bring my Ray-Bans that I actually care about. Okay, I thought I was done packing, but I'm actually really not. I still have to do my carry-on. And there's something else. Oh yeah, I have to figure out my plane outfit for tomorrow. All right, first I'm gonna hang up all these clothes because these are the clothes I thought I was gonna bring, but I'm not. For my plane outfit, it needs to be like a light top that I could wear a sweatshirt over. I could do a tank top. My issue is I have to find a top that goes with sneakers and cropped leggings. Not the cutest look, but I already packed all my leggings and I don't feel like taking them out. And then also, in case the plane is hot, which I know it's not gonna be, then I wanna wear cropped leggings. I literally have no idea what to wear because nothing goes with cropped leggings that's a cute top. Like cropped leggings, no thank you. Maybe I'll just wear this. This and cropped leggings and my Adidas sneakers. I had to order these on Amazon 2 days ago because I realized I had no good sneakers that like still were like in good condition because all of mine, like the bottoms are like flat. For my carry-on bag, which bag do I want to bring? I'm gonna use my Vera Bradley. This is what it looks like, super ugly. This was my 7th grade backpack. So what am I gonna put in that backpack, you ask? I don't know. I gotta decide if I wanna bring my GoPro though, because that decides a lot of other things. No, I'm not bringing my GoPro. I'm gonna need to bring my wallet, but I'm also gonna bring that tonight to the concert. So let me make a list of things I need to bring. Wallet, Pantheon hoodie. Ew, this pen is pissing me off. It's Lululemon t-shirt. This is the first thing going in my carry-on. I know I'm not gonna read, but like if for some reason I get like the urge to read while I'm on the flight, I gotta do that because I'm only like a quarter of the way through this book. You know, like when you reach into like the water bottle pocket and you feel like years worth of crumbs? I just did that. I have my book. I'm gonna have my chargers, my phone, my AirPods. I gotta charge those. Let me write a note for my AirPods because if I forget that, that's dead ass gonna ruin my trip. I'm gonna bring this little drawstring bag just to carry around because I don't have a Fjällräven Kanken. I'm trying to invest in one, but I just don't want to spend the money. So I also may want to bring my gift cards just because you never know what stores are going to be there. I'm going to pack my big wallet and then bring this wallet to the concert. I really just don't know what else people bring in their carry-ons. I think that's it. Maybe I'll bring a pen. I'm not bringing any paper, but maybe I'll need a pen. I think I should just end this video here because I'm being annoying and I'm getting pissed off because I cannot find my charger. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you could sit through this whole thing, honestly, good for you because I'm annoying. And my head hurts, so I'm just even more irritated. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.